the idea of the Illuminati, to put it crudely, the branding is a really powerful one. And so it makes sense that there's a thread connecting it to this day, that a lot of organizations, a lot of secret societies can sort of adopt the branding.
Anybody can call it. You can go out and form a club and call it the Illuminati.
And if you're effective at it, I think it does attract, it's the chicken or the egg, but powerful people tend to have gigantic egos, and people with gigantic egos tend to like the exclusivity of secret societies. And so like it's a gravitational force that pulls powerful people to these societies.
It's exclusive. Only certain. And you also notice something goes back to when we were talking about much earlier, when we were talking about intelligence. Remember, mice? Ego is a means of recruitment and control. That's a great Achilles heel in human beings, the exploitation of ego.
And of course, if we go back to the conversation of intelligence agencies, it would be very efficient and beneficial for intelligence agencies to infiltrate the secret societies, right? Like, because that's where the powerful people are.
Yeah, or the secret societies to infiltrate the intelligence agencies.
Oh boy. Well, I mean, that's actually in all the lectures, I kind of had a sense that intelligence agencies themselves are kind of secret societies, right?
Well, it comes down, I'll give you my definition of secret societies, what they come down to. One is that generally their existence isn't secret. It's what they do is secret. It's what's in the box as opposed to the existence of the box. So one of the most important criterions is that they are self-selecting. You just don't join. They pick you. They decide whether or not you're going to, they admit you, and oftentimes they will sort of recruit you. Once you have been recruited, you have to pass tests and initiations. And you also have to swear oaths of loyalty. Those are always very, very critical. So, broadly speaking, what entrance into an intelligence organization does, they decide whether you get in. You just don't automatically get the job. You have to pass tests. A lie detector test, for instance. Field training tests, a whole variety of tests. And then you're sworn to secrecy. You never talk about what you do. Ever. Or there will be dire consequences. So the method is very much the same. And also this idea of creating a kind of insular group. You know, the organization is us. And everyone else is outside of that. We are guardians of special knowledge. See, this is the type of thing that would generally happen if you question whatever any kind of intelligence agency did. Well, we know things that you don't. Why? Because we're the organization that knows things. We collect information. We know the secrets. We guard the secrets. Therefore, if we tell you, you must believe us.